just cute. But how you can get back home? I'm laughing. I don't know. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Yes.
What you doing? You sound a little tired over there. Worked long today?
What?
Was you working long today? You had a long day? You sound tired. You sound like a damn grumpy bear and shit. What you doing?
What you know?
I was trying to come over so I could fuck. That's what I was trying to do. I mean, baby, we can go raw. I don't need no condom. I'm trying to make you have a baby by you and shit.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo,